Hello and welcome back. We're in the kitchen. It's filthy, but we're not going to show you that. Now, I have looked online at Miss Goggity's page and she's asked you guys the question, when you have toast and you drop it, which I do, does it fall butter side up or butter side down? Most of the pessimists in the room tend to think that it falls butter side down. Now, there's reasons that people think that, but we're going to test that today. You can do this as well, as long as you clean up at home and nobody gets in trouble for it. But I'm going to use some pretty high-tech stuff. I have got myself a piece of bread. This bread is old. This bread is nasty, but we're not ageist in here, so I'm going to use it anyway. And I'm going to use the toaster. Ow. And we'll come back and find out what happens. And there we have it. The toast is with us. As you can see, I like my toast as dark as the night. Now, to get this experiment working properly, I'm going to use some very hard dairy soft original. You can use whatever you want. I don't really mind. It just needs to be there to say, okay, which side is which. Now, because we don't do things in halves here, I'm also going to add the next level ingredient, blueberry premium jam. All right, it turned out to be more liquid than jam. I'm going to regret that later. Now comes the fun part. Now we get to work out how this thing drops in 3, 2, 1. What we had to do is we had to drop it over and over again. And I just tried to make it drop as if I was a regular person accidentally dropping a piece of toast. What's that? And then I record the results. And we record our information to make sure that we get everything down and we can get a tally of which way it falls. Okay, I've thoroughly made a mess and I've dropped some toast. But we've found out something interesting. If I look at what we found out when we did our drops, I had 11 times that my toast landed with the jam side up and only 3 with the jam side down. So that's pretty much a result. If I was to make a judgment on whether it's going to be jam side up or jam side down, I would go with jam side up. And that means that I'm an optimist, apparently, based on statistics. Now all I have to do, as an optimist, is clean up all the mess. Why do I do this? Look how big the mess is. Oh my gosh, there's mess on the drawers. I've made mistakes in life. I have made mistakes. Oh lordy. Oh. Oh boy. Oh. Lordy. This is more than anticipated. It's fine, they said.